In this tutorial, I'm going to let you know how you can apply a promo code or discount voucher at checkout on your Jetty Spots account. So to apply promo code or to redeem your discount voucher at checkout, you have to follow the steps. First thing, go ahead and open up a browser, type in globaljettyspots.com. That is going to take you to the official page, and here you need to go ahead and select the product that you wish to purchase. So I'm going to go with a random product for now, and when I've actually located the following product, I'm going to go with this one, select the size, quality, all that, and I'm going to add it to my cart. So when I've actually added the product to my cart, it's going to be taken to the shopping list, and here as well you can see this is your shopping cart, this is your cart. So if you wish to go ahead and proceed on to the checkout, click on checkout securely. Once you've done, be able to get certain amount of discount on the following purchase. So that is how you can redeem or apply promo code to your Jetty Spots account. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.